Welcome to Beautyistic. Imagine waking up to skin that feels refreshed, plump, and fully hydrated without the heaviness of a traditional moisturizer. That's what today's review is all about. belif's Moisturizing Bomb. This lightweight, deeply hydrating daily ceramide moisturizer promises up to 48 hours of moisture, and with a formulation packed with peptides, squalane, and a soothing botanical blend, it sounds like a dream come true for those looking to restore their skin's barrier and lock in moisture. But does it live up to the hype? Let's dive in. belif's Moisturizing Bomb is designed to deliver intense hydration with a soft, creamy texture that absorbs quickly into the skin. It's clinically tested to offer up to 48 hours of hydration, making it an ideal choice for those looking for long-lasting moisture without the greasy feeling. The formula features a blend of ceramides, peptides, and squalane, all powerhouse ingredients that are known to help restore the skin barrier, improve elasticity, and prevent moisture loss. Plus, it's enriched with comfrey leaf and Napier's moisture formula, which provide additional soothing and skin repairing benefits. When I first tried this moisturizer, I was impressed by how quickly it absorbed into my skin. The texture is milky and light, which makes it feel more like a drink of water for your face. There was no greasy residue left behind, just soft, hydrated skin that felt immediately refreshed. I used it both during the day and as an overnight treatment, and I can definitely say it's versatile. Whether worn under makeup or as a nourishing evening treatment, it works beautifully. I tested this moisturizer under a few different conditions to really see how it performs. On days when I was out and about, it kept my skin feeling hydrated all day, and my makeup sat nicely on top without pilling. Even after long hours of wear, I didn't notice any dryness creeping in. At night, it worked wonders as an overnight treatment, and I woke up to plump, glowing skin. One thing I will mention is that while the product is hydrating, I found that for those with very dry skin, it might not provide enough moisture on its own. If your skin is extremely parched or you're dealing with severe dryness, you may need to layer this with a heavier cream or an oil. For normal to slightly dry skin, however, this will likely be more than enough. So let's break it down. Pros: lightweight, non-greasy formula, perfect for daily use. Absorbs quickly and leaves skin feeling refreshed. Hydrates deeply and supports the skin's moisture barrier. Contains peptides, ceramides, and squalane for skin elasticity and moisture retention. Great for layering under makeup or using overnight. Cons: may not be moisturizing enough for very dry skin on its own. Packaging could be larger for the price, given it's only 0.84, 25 milliliters. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to try it, the link is in the comments. As far as value for money goes, this product is on the pricier side for the size, but it definitely delivers on hydration and soothing benefits. The formulation feels luxurious, and the ingredients are top-notch. So if you're looking for a quality daily moisturizer that doesn't leave you greasy, it's worth the investment. But if you're on a budget, there are other good alternatives that might suit your needs. I haven't had direct interaction with belif's customer service, but the brand has a solid reputation for offering great customer support. They stand by their products and are known for their commitment to clean, effective skincare. If you're looking for an alternative, you might consider a more budget-friendly option like CeraVe's Daily Moisturizing Lotion, which also provides great hydration, but comes at a lower price point. It's perfect if you're on the go and need something that works without breaking the bank. So, does this moisturizer live up to its claims? Yes, it absolutely does, especially for those with normal to combination skin. It delivers great hydration, supports the skin barrier, and leaves skin feeling soft and healthy. It's a solid choice for anyone looking to step up their skincare routine with a gentle, effective moisturizer. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out the link to purchase in the description box or comments. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Does it work for you as well as it did for me? Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.